Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Kia Optima AC. First, let's tackle some initial checks. Begin by confirming the AC compressor clutch engages when you turn on the air conditioning. If it doesn't, there might be an electrical issue. Next, inspect your AC fuse and relay, as a blown fuse or faulty relay can prevent the system from working. Finally, check your refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant is a common cause of poor cooling. Now, let's dive deeper into diagnosing potential problems. Listen carefully for any grinding or squealing noises coming from the AC compressor, which could indicate mechanical failure. Also, visually inspect your condenser for any debris or damage that might be blocking airflow, as a dirty condenser hinders heat dissipation. Using a manifold gauge set will allow you to accurately check the high and low side pressures of your AC system, providing crucial diagnostic information. Moving on to more advanced troubleshooting, you'll want to test the AC pressure switch. This switch tells the compressor when to activate, and a faulty one can prevent your AC from working. Next, inspect the blend door actuator. If it's not functioning correctly, air might not be directed to the right vents, or you might hear clicking noises. Lastly, don't forget to check your cabin air filter. A clogged filter significantly restricts airflow and reduces cooling efficiency. Sometimes, AC issues can be complex, requiring specialized tools and expertise. If you've gone through these steps and your Kia Optima's AC is still not working, it's often best to consult a certified technician for professional diagnosis and repair. Regular maintenance, like checking refrigerant levels and cleaning components, can prevent many common problems. And speaking of smart choices, if you're looking to improve your financial well-being, there's a fantastic resource. Check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.